Today I will teach you what is our RAM work. Basically, they were not too special for me. Maybe you. This is a RAM. I'm so it is a computer parts. I am wondering what is our computer parts work. So it is a normal node inside. This is a normal board. This will start RAM, random access memory. So the diagram is there. So basically there are Samsung. Let me Samsung K41034Q IC, which is a SRAM, Samsung SRAM. It is total 8 are used, 16 are using 8 for one side and 8 for other side, and both are connected with these type of jumpers. You can see there are jumpers. There are jumpers to join together, which means this IC can join this one, this is this, and this was is this, and there is connect there, and there is connect there. So all the ICs connected common together, and one portion, and other portion connect with these resistors. Although this I can see are different types of resistors, 4-pin resistance, which means one package in 4 resistance. So where's the RAM? Let's have RAM. Although you can may wondering there are 8 chips like this way. This way is 4 chips down and 4 chips top. Because when I design this paper circuit diagram, I am thinking I can make an entire whole circuit with small one paper sheet. So that's why I made a 4 chips down and 4 chips top to make a more space. And there is some rich that form. Data type there means data is passed with this loop. It can boost the data, and this can boost the speed. So you can see it is a tiny little circuit by compress this chip. When you make this circuit in paper, it is a lot of bigger circuit. I am working on 26 hours to complete this. So you can see there are tracks going, and there although I am not sure, some tracks going there with resistors, and there are rich tracks, which means inductor type thing, and back side of the board, and inductor type thing again to resistor and back to the terminals, dual plating terminals. Why we cannot use this type of thing in RAM? Why it cannot direct by motherboard? Inductor direct to the motherboard, instead we connect the RAM. So there are chips. This chip is used cell phones. 1 or 2 chips is used only one cell phone. So that combined, it is also used combined to make a RAM. And this is the EPROM. What is the EPROM? EPROM is electrically readable only memory. So when this something goes wrong, RAM is burned, for example. You can change the RAM. Sometimes you can change the RAM. New RAM revolution is not good. You can do by removing the old RAM. This IC will replace with new RAM. With your new RAM is working with own revolution, because this can shape entire set your component. It is not using RAM, used in hard drive, also using with electronics gadgets like a watch, stopwatch, cell phone, are internally this chip, which is electrically readable memory, which can store the data when anything goes on, or you can change the entire thing, or your battery is low. For example, your phone is battery low. When your phone is turned off, it is when you turn on the phone. After turning on the phone, what's your original time on rotation is taken by chip, and if when your phone is turned on, it can tell you that time instead with changing the time. So it is a small memory chip, and some resistors. Although this is a little bit component, it may be scratched out or miss out, so there are Samsung chips in too much. So this is first it. Let me tell again. So it is only this by each chip to connect the 6 wires, and other all terminals is open. Instead of top 5 pins connecting to back side, which means this is the front side, and opposite back side is this one. So this one is front side and this is the opposite back side. Now you can see there are the plates look like this, and there are some resistors which is like there. It is also jumps there one pin and one pin. Only difference is this circuit is same circuit with this circuit. It is no more difference. And one difference is there are which that tiny little inductor type thing. In this side it is not. So there's all chips. So that is front side and there's back side. So some are these inductor type loops, and there's a chip where when you can see clearly the 122. It is lots of chips. When I talk about one by one chip, which chip is which side connected, it is video too long, so that's why you can see maybe which one is connected where. I also add my systematic image into design easy linked into my video. You can see afterwards what I made. But there, when you can see is good quality image circuit diagram in my video description. And this video can be